Ready to go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're replacing the drive cable on a Toro recycler. As you can see, this cable's all frayed and the Z-bend is broken off of it. And it's a pretty easy little job. So let's get set up and get to work. First thing we'll do is take the two screws out that hold the belt cover on. Not much to it, it's a 3/8. Easily, and that's it. And the rest of this job we can do from up top. Okay, and once you've got those two screws out from underneath, you just pull the cover off. Okay, with the cover out of the way, we're going to knock these little ears off with a screwdriver. And you can pinch them together to get them out, but you're not using this cable anymore anyways, and this is the easier way to do it sometimes. There's one. There's the other one. Usually with one off, she'll let go, and she did. So let's get that spring to let go. There we go. Now we're underneath it. And so she should pop right out. There we go. So while we're working on the front end, we'll go ahead and put the new spring on. New spring goes on the same way the old one came off. There we go. You literally just slide that in, and that's it. We'll take this time to inspect the belt, and we might replace the belt later. But she appears to have enough tightness to work correctly. We'll get the cover back in place, and we'll go underneath and put our two screws back in, and then we'll move to the top. Okay, to attach it at the handle side, I'm going to take the little nut off and the washer and put those to the side. Push the bolt through, and then you pull this down to where your string's sticking through. There we go. And your old cable's out of the way. Now put the new cable in the same way. Get started through here. Come on, buddy, get started through there. And before we go too far, we're going to hook the handle on. Because we've got slack to do it right now, or we won't have it in a little while. Now we want to put the bolt on loosely, but we'll get it in place. Should save the nut. And now we have to adjust it. The way we're going to adjust is we're going to pull the bar. And I say, yeah, let's put a little bit more tension on it than that. Nut's a little tight. Okay. Let's pull it and pull it and pull it. Pull it down. When this feels pretty tight, we'll tighten it. And remember that spring you saw on the other end? That spring pulls when you go overly tight on this end. And there you have it. In 5 minutes flat, you've got a new cable. Now when you're ordering parts for a lawnmower, underneath the back cover, you can usually find this sticker. And you can see 20331 is the model number for this one. And use that model number when you order parts. Now don't be afraid to order aftermarket parts. That cable came from Amazon and cost about $12 and worked like a charm. 99% of them will. And it's just a lawnmower. So all you new people out there, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. It's free, and it's what we work for. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.